Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can add another account to your OneTask application, for example, to organize and manage 2 or more calendars, each one with its own set of tasks at the same time. So let us begin. So launch the OneTask app, and what you want to do guys is take a look at that left panel here. As you can see, I'm currently logged in with that Google account, and it is linked with my One Calendar app here. So what you want to do guys is click into settings here on OneTask, and click into accounts. Next, you may, for example, go with one of these accounts if you like, for instance, if you're already logged in, but you can add also another one by clicking into this button. Next, choose either Microsoft or Google. And then what you want to do is click into this button here, for example, use another account, log in with your other Google account. And after that, the given calendar, including your Google Calendar, for instance, for the associated Google account, will be listed here to the left, so that you may click into it and navigate to your task list. You may also switch between accounts here in the settings, for instance, and that's it. So as far as I know, there's no limitation how many external calendars and accounts you can assign here to your OneTask app. So guys, hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.